All right, good morning, everyone. It's Irvin here, aka TeamWithERVING. Welcome to another session. Today we are gonna be doing our pre-week analysis for the week of August 30th to September 1st. So this is our very first week of the month of September. So hopefully this month will make you tons of pips. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so you can watch tomorrow full analysis that is going to be released around 9 to 10:30 Eastern time. All right, so and also you can follow us on Facebook, Forex USA. It's another channel as well, multiple time frame forex as well. All right, so it's there available, so all you got to do is follow up. And one thing that I think I need is very important for you guys is the disclaimer. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to teach you and squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and what? Hold on, let me drink some coffee. Because I'm here with you. I'm here live. I'm telling you. And hundreds of pips. Like it or not. That's what we're here for. So this week was awesome, guys. USD, Euro USD was an amazing pair this week. It paid me when it pulled up and then it reversed. Oh gosh, it was great, guys. It was an amazing one. So hopefully you guys get to hopefully you like this video today. Another app that I think is very important for you to have it, guys, is the FX hours. This one is pretty neat. It tells you exactly on your mobile the time the London, New York, Frankfurt, Tokyo, and Sydney open. So I think you should download this one. You will love it. Another great app that I think you're gonna love it as well. It is, what do you think it is? It's the news, guy. The news is very important. Make sure you subscribe, okay, so you won't miss any more video from us. And this is the one that I'm telling you, my FX book, guys. Oof, this is gorgeous. This will tell you exactly what is going on, what is on the red folder, and so on. So you will love it. So I think you should have it. It's something that you got no choice than just put it on your chart, okay? So all right, let's get to the point. Let's work. So like I said earlier today, we are gonna be analyzing our pre-week and this is we just select only 4 pair: GBP USD, AUD Canadian, Euro USD, and gold. So this is trading with multiple time frame system. All right, so let's go. Let's get to work. Okay, pay attention what I have here. Let me see. Let me bring one more my drawing pen so you can see it. So this is what I have for you guys. This is in the AUD Canadian. Pay attention how nice and sweet this system is, guys. Look, when the signal come in, market tell you it's a bullish. When the signal come in as well, brothers and sisters with the magic arrow tell us it's a sell. Same thing in here. So right now the market is on what? What do you think the market is at this present time? Look, the market is sitting in a buy position, right? So it's sitting still, in my opinion, the market is still in a buy position. It took off, boom. So it's sitting all that position in there. So now, all I can say is the market still gonna push maybe 1 or 2 more candle, and then from there we are gonna start seeing a drop down to a sell position on the position. To be honest, that's what I'm looking for. And look, guys, this is pretty neat as well. Look, it's respecting all this area here. Let me make this one not that thick. Look at this, respecting and respecting. So it's a good one, to be honest. I like it. So yes, so what it's gonna do the rest of the week. Remember, guys, these are not signals. Please don't think this is signal. This is just for educational purpose, showing you how we use the multiple time frame in our end. So and then what the market is gonna do next is the market will drop down retesting all this. Look at here, all this gorgeous area here, which is gonna retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From there, market will go back up, and then we're gonna come back on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review the market all over again live with you. Okay, hopefully you guys are gonna find the value of this one. But to be honest, I'm looking for a lot of sales this month of September. I don't know about you, but that's what I'm gonna be doing. All right, here's the Gbpusd. Pay attention what this gorgeous trade is telling you. Look, guys, how simple this stuff can be. Let me make this smaller. Look at this one. Come and join us, guys. Come and join us. The link is on the description of this video if you want to join. If you want to join, if you want to see how I had trained all the traders, there's a gold membership on YouTube as well. I also put videos in there, so it's pretty neat. It's there. But look at how easy the system is. Look, boom, sell. But this is what we're looking here. This is our heart of trading here. So this is what I teach my people. Let me give you some extra knowledge here. This is what I teach my people. I tell them, hey guys, look, we should all be trading only what? Only betting up. So that's what the market is doing. Look at here, boom. Everything is telling us market. So this is what we want. We want this. We want this. 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 Look at all these buys. Look at that. And go on and on. Buy. Look at all this buy here. Buy. Buy. So look here on YouTube, unfortunately I have to give you every movement of the market because I mean you're not a paid member, but it still works. But all I want my people behind scene is to be trading in favor of what the market is doing. To be honest, this here is good, but in my opinion is bad business. Look at all these sales here. Sales. Look, the system is awesome. All those sales. This is called, guys. Look at what the market is doing. Let me write it down in a big letter. This is called pullbacks. All those are pullbacks. So you are trading with, oops, let me put it here. Multiple time frame system. That's what you're trading for. So that's what I'm, this is what the market, let me delete everything, guys, so you guys can have everything nice and neat. Look at here. So let me zoom back to normal. I already told you what the market is doing on this. Hold on, let me go back up. There you go. So this is what the market is gonna do, guys. Right now the market is sitting in a what? Oops, make that way too big. What do you guys think it's doing, guys? Go ahead, type it below. I'm here live with you. Look, this is the time where you can learn and ask questions and so on. All right, you got it. The market is doing a pullback. Look at that. Rule are met. Look at what all the multiple time frame arrow is doing. Now, yes, that's what I'm saying. Look at the drawing that I did here, guys. I'm saying the market will drop, especially right for where it is. It's gonna come back and retest at 78.6 Fibonacci line. From there, the market will do a small break, retesting all this area here. Then the market is still gonna be down. It's gonna be in a sell position. So this is sell. I'm telling you, there's a lot of sales, guys. A lot of sales. Okay. So hopefully all this makes sense. If you have any question, please let me know. Comment below. I'm here live with you. And also, if you want to join our Gold membership, check the description of the video. There's a link in there. Come and check those one-on-one. You will love them, man. Trust me. In case you're not using the multiple time frame, this will help you to gain hundreds and hundreds of dollars. just trading by rule. Follow the rules, stick to the rule. And then if you want to join us, it's fine. For all those people that are outside of United States and around the world, and they cannot, for some reason, some of them are having a hard time to connect with me, there's all those social medias in there where you can find me. So I mean, I'm all over the place. All right, so it's not like I'm not. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next one. This is Eurusd. I make tons of money on this one, guys. Oh gosh, this was good. I took the trade. I went live with my team. Pay attention what this one is doing. Look at how simple this stuff is, guys. Gosh, look at this. You tell me, look at here. Look, sell, buy. Real time, market is selling. The next question that we ask ourselves is, what is a multiple time frame real time doing on the 4 hours? Look, boom. It is. Sorry about that. It is a sell. That's what we want. Oh gosh, this is good, guys. This trending is awesome, to be honest. Oops, I made that way too big. Let me delete all this drawing, because oops, instead of deleting a drawing more, I don't want to confuse you. I want to keep this simple, straightforward. No, nothing else. Look at this. This is what I'm thinking market is gonna do, guys. The candle already closed. Look, this candle already closed as a drop. So yes, what I'm looking this week is to sell, retest the mid 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. From there, the market will do a small pullback, retesting our 23 Fibonacci line. Then boom, it will drop down. This is good. This is awesome. I love this pair. To be honest, I make tons of pips here. I took that trade here, boom, on this here as a buy, and then boom, I spike out. It took my TP. It hit my TP, boom. And then I said, wait, you know what? Still in a bearish position. Let's go. Let me sell back down. I put an extra position here. I think I put like 6-7 position. Boom! It took me and it hit my TP again. And then, guys, I was so freaking pumped up, man. This pair here is awesome. It's awesome. And this I did it with my EA, because we have an EA available in there. So come and join us, guys. We got all the tools, so you will love us. Let's go ahead and give you the next one. This is on gold. This is what everybody loves, and a lot of you guys say me, please never ever, no matter what you do in the market, always analyze gold, because gold is the key of this business. Okay, I say fine. Go and Eurusd, so they always ask for that. All right, so this is what gold is gonna do. So right now, gold, look at, pay attention, because I love to teach only real time. All right, so look at here, sell, buy. So right now the market is in a buy position. Then we ask ourselves, what is a multiple time frame doing real time? Well, look at here. It is in what? It's in a pullback. It's selling down. So that's what it's doing. Now, why is my BS for this one? So this is what it's gonna do. Market will drop down. Oh, I hate when I get the wrong top. This is what the market is gonna do. The market is gonna drop down, retest our mid 50 to our 60 Fibonacci line. Remember the guys. This area here, this is the golden area for Fibonacci. It's 38, 50, and 61. Those are golden area. Market will sit very, very nicely in there. So it's gonna come and retest this golden area here. Then it's gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. Then the market will continue down. So anyway, we're gonna come back on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review this all over again now, but in real time. Like exactly if the market did what I'm telling you and so on. So the month of August, I think I have only 1 or 2 losses. That's pretty good using this multiple time frame. But our goal, I always tell my team, the goal here is not to win 100%. We want only 75 out of 100, guys, using our multiple time frame. That should be your goal. Never try to go for perfection, because this is not gonna be perfect. And another thing, a lot of you guys send me messages, Irvin, if this repaints, Irvin, if this and that. Look, guys, you're asking the wrong question. You should ask yourself, how can I learn the system? There's no such a perfection thing that someone is gonna. If someone tell you that this thing will not repaint, then trust me, you're on the wrong. They're lying to you. Because if you're looking for perfection, it's better off for you to work at McDonald's or Giant or whatever grocery store you want to, because they don't have no rules in there. They're just gonna tell you to do this and that's it. But here it requires your time to learning this skill will pay you and reward you very, very well. But it requires patience. Forex is patient, guys. You got no patience, then I'm sorry, this is not for you. Don't join me, don't join anyone. Just go and find a job, a regular job. But it requires skills. And that's what I'm saying. If you want those skills you can get them on the 101 that I did with all the traders. It's very straightforward how we look for setup and so on. But I don't want to lie to you ever. I want to be myself honest, because if I lie, I'm going to feel guilty. And I will quit anything that I'm doing if I make something up, because I'm not that kind of person. For what? I'm not going to benefit from you. But that's me. Hopefully you guys are finding value of this video, guys. Make sure if give me a thumbs up, so it will help the algorithm of YouTube and so on. So yeah, I mean, that's what it is. So make sure you guys put a pair that you want me to analyze tomorrow on the full week analysis, and then I will give you a shout out as well. Okay. So do you guys have any question for me today? No questions? What? All right, guys. So thank you again for coming in. God bless you. God bless the United States of America. Let's go. Let's go in both blue. All right. See you guys. Take care.